Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix can't log in to CSFloat app. So if I try to sign in with Steam, as you can see here, I'm getting white screen and nothing is happening. So that's what you need to do here. So you need to go to settings, then you need to go to general, and on general you need to go to a iPhone storage. And here you need to look for CSFloat app on the app list. Once you find it, then you just need to press offload app and press offload app again. If you're using Android, process should be quite similar. You just need to find the app on the settings and then you need to clear cache. And then I'm using iPhone, so I just need to reinstall it. But for you, it can be clear cache or something like that. And then you need to go back to the app. And now when I press sign in button here, as you can see, there is no white screen, and now I can put my Steam details. So guys, I just put my details and I just logged into my account, and now I can use CSFloat app. So that's pretty much it, and if I helped you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.